Here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and click Command L for a new layer. Let's name that pen. So let's go over and hit the P command for pen, and hit once, hit twice, hit 3 times, hit 4 times, and you've noticed if you want a perfectly vertical or horizontal line, you're gonna have to do something else. But first here, hit the last point that you started on, your anchor, and you have your rectangle. Now, what if you wanted a perfect square and did perfect vertical and horizontal lines, not like what I just did? So let's start again. Select it, delete it, hit P again, hit your first point. Now hold down Shift, and you'll notice it'll only give you the option of horizontal, 45, and vertical. Tap your second point, tap your third point, your fourth. It even gives you a guide, and you're back with a perfect rectangle. So now, how do you do curved lines? Let's delete it again, hit P, and hit your first point, hit your second, and hold it down, and there you go. Once you hold it down, it gives you the options to bend as freely as you'd like. And there we are. A great tool to get used to the pen is a website called the Bezier game. That's bezier.method.ac. I'm not affiliated with this website at all, but I think it's really cool. It's free, and it allows you to interactively play with the pen tool until you get it right. As I said, here's using Shift, and they give you a cool little house. And if you mess up like I just did, it won't let you go forward until you do.